watching Amazon Mini TV in Canada. In this video, you are going to learn how to watch Amazon Mini TV in Canada. So the first step is you have to go to your Google web browser and need to search for an Indian VPN. For example, here I'm searching Indian VPN. In the results section, you will select the VPN which says Urban VPN. Now Urban VPN gives you free Indian IPs which you can use to show themselves that you are in India. As we know that Amazon Mini TV is only available in India, so you have to do that. So after that you have to click on this free and download it. It will open the Chrome App Store. You just have to add this to your Chrome. After adding this to your Chrome, you will be able to see the icon of India in your Google account. As your location is changed, now you will be easily able to watch Amazon Mini TV in Canada. That's all. Thanks for watching.